Alright, yesterday I actually worked on my old Maytag DE7600 dryer and replaced the belt tensioner pulley. And I didn't make a video of it because I wasn't sure if I was going to be able to do it or not. And I actually managed to get it to work. So I'm going to go ahead and redo what I did last night and show you how to replace the idler pulley if you have a similar dryer. I've had this dryer probably about 25 years, so I mean it's been working great other than just making the noise. But on the back of my dryer I have an access plate which makes it a little easier to get to without having to pull it out completely. So there's just 4 small bolts or screws here you got to take out. Alright, so there's the access panel. Set that off to the side. And it's a little dark here, so I'll get my flashlight. But that there is the tensioner pulley. So, let's see if I can get it a little closer to get a better view. Okay. That should be a little better. So now I'll get the little C-clamp or the C washer off here. There we go. I'll use my magnet, get the washer. So, a little tricky to get off. Okay, so in this case what I'll do is just push the belt back. Well, yeah, in this case I'll just pull it forward. There we go. So that's getting it off. And then leaving the belt kind of the way it is so you don't get it twisted. Slide the new pulley on, and then slide the tensioner over and wrap the belt on just like that. So new pulley is on, and then you just put your lock washer back on. There we go. Okay, Yep, that's on there. Use needle nose pliers to kind of force it on. Now we're ready to put the plate back on. Okay, so the plate is back on. Now I'll go ahead and plug the dryer back in. And we're ready to put the dryer back into position. There we go. And we'll try it out. Yep, working good. And again, this is a Maytag DE7600. Probably about 25 or so years old. And the reason I replaced this pulley originally, I got some videos from a couple years back when I was replacing the tumbler rollers and still having this squeaking sound, and come to find out it came from the actual idler tension pulley for the belt. So that's what I just replaced last night. I guess I probably could have recorded the squeaking noise at first, but I just got tired of hearing it from over the years, and figured let me just give this a shot and see if that's the problem, and sure enough, that's what it was. So, yep. Sounds a lot better. No more annoying squeaking sound. Perfect. Well, there you go. A quick how-to fix-it video replacing an idler tension pulley on a Maytag dryer. Hope it helps you. Till next time. Adios.